Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much to Royal Wellness Corner for providing the raspberry lemonade detox tea and sponsoring this video. You guys know that I've been losing a lot of weight and I'm on a new weight loss journey, so I'm excited to try this and also give you guys some instructions on how to use it. I'm also going to give you my top 4 natural ingredients that this product includes that I love, so make sure you stick around for that. Hey guys, I'm Shantae from naturalveganmama.com. where we're all about showing you how easy this vegan lifestyle can be. Today I'm going to be showing you exactly how to make your instant detox Iaso tea. So the tea is super easy to make. What you want to do is make sure you have about a cup and a half or about 16 ounces of hot or cold water. So what you're going to do is take your packet and open it up, put it in a cup. If you're going to use hot water, definitely use something that is good for holding hot water, like a mug or something like that. And then put the contents of your packet in, and then pour your water on top of that. So I found that I didn't really need to stir this at all. As soon as I poured the water on top, it mixed up pretty well, and then it was ready for me to drink. As I am sipping this, let me just go ahead and give you an overview of some of the benefits of this amazing tea. So the main reason I was excited to try this tea is 4 of their ingredients are really good for you, so I thought it would be a great way to get these 4 ingredients. So here are the 4 ingredients that really attracted me to this tea. Persimmon leaves are used in this tea because it has very high amounts of vitamin C, calcium, and magnesium. Malva leaves are known for their extreme power in reducing swelling and inflammation. Chamomile is best known as a tea that's great for calming, and it's a great sleep aid for at night. It's included in this tea to help with anxiety, insomnia, and upset stomach. And the 4th and final ingredient that made me super excited to try this tea is blessed and holy thistle. So this herb has been included because of its diuretic effects. It's going to help you flush out the extra water, and it's also really great for hormone imbalance. So around those special times of the month, we tend to retain a lot more water and feel bloated, and this is going to help us combat that. If you'd like more information about this all-natural tea, I'll leave some information in the description box below. And also, I'll include some testimonials from a doctor and several other people who've tried it and loved it. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.